Hi guys, I'm Matthew Newton from Northern Airsofters, and today we're going to be doing a quick disassembly of the SRC SR4MI. First of all, as you can see, you've got two Allen keys on the receiver, which is for the body pins. All you've got to do really, get the right Allen key that fits it, unscrew them there. Then usually with the body pins, trying to get them out can be quite hard, so what I usually do is put like a screwdriver on the body pin and then push down gently, and what you'll see is the two pins come out the other side. Pull them two out. From there, what you need to do is try and slide the receiver apart. Right, and then what you can do is just pull out the barrel, because it's a one piece hop up, so just pull out the barrel, and then you've got your lower receiver and then the upper receiver. Right, what you want to do is to disconnect the battery if it's a rear wired. If it's a rear wired gearbox, just pull off the buttstock. Pull the battery out, or disconnect it, and then pull the battery out. And then if you want to remove the stock, all you've got to do, pull that all the way back, and then pull that out, as so, and then it'll just pull off like that. From there, since we've all got the barrel removed, what you need to do now, to get the wrist rail off, you just push down the delta ring. The bottom should come off. And then there's two screwdrivers there. All you got to do, well, screws, sorry. Get a screwdriver. And once you do that, you can remove the wrist rail. Push down the delta ring, and then just be careful with it though. Slowly push it out. For now, we've still got the outer barrel attached to the top receiver, and all you got to do, there's a little Allen key on each side, as well as a little hex screw on there. Just pop them in there, and what you'll see is it'll actually remove the outer barrel from the receiver, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Now what I've done with this SRC is I've taken out the short barrel, because it's a CQB version, and I've taken out the short barrel and put the silencer on the end and put a longer barrel for my old M4 on. And then obviously I get a bit, I've got a hex screw to do. Hopefully get a bit more range by putting in the longer barrel. Or accuracy maybe. It's only a very small screw, this one, so be careful with it, as you'll still need that. And then the outer barrel will just come off from the receiver. And to remove the delta ring, as you can see, there's two little catches on each side. Just got to push the delta ring round until you see them up it under, and then it should come off like that. And there's a big spring pressuring underneath, and then you should just be able to unscrew. Right, and to get the gearbox and the motor out, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. That'll fit into the screws, obviously. Now there's two screws right at the back there. What you're going to do is just unscrew them, and then you'll be able to take the motor out. And now you've got to remember what order it goes in, because for the back of the pistol grip there'll be a longer screw, and then at the front there'll be a small one. Now once you've got that off, all you need to do is pull the wires off the motor, once you've got the motor out, there'll be a little circular disc which will just, when you put it back in, that needs to sit right on top of the motor like that, so make sure you don't lose that. From there, there's 2 screws in the back of the pistol grip, as before. Just get a screwdriver. Once you've got them loose, you'll be able to pull it off. Right, that's into that. Once you've got that pistol grip off, don't lose the screws inside, so just put them to one place. Now that's what it's going to look like afterwards. Now get the buffer tube off, get a longer screwdriver because the screw is all the way back in there. So it's real wired, you want to watch out for the wires. Pop that straight on. And then it'll loosen off. It's quite a big screw this, so it takes some time. Yeah, but watch out for the wires for this, because this is real wired. Put that to one side. Well, that wasn't meant to happen, but once you've got the buffer tube off, you'll be left with the low receiver, and just take that off because that's nothing of use. Well, you've got the low receiver and the gearbox. You've also got the magazine release catch left on. To do that, it's just really simple. Get quite a sharp screwdriver, and then push down on that. Now this is only a tiny screw as well, so you don't want to lose that. And then what you'll have is that usually the screwdriver will come loose. And then you've got the button, and then there's a spring, just a little spring like that. Then we've got that as well. And then should be able to just, oh no, there's also a pin right in the middle of the body there, and that needs pushing out as well. Need something sharp for this, so if you've got a really small Allen key, push it through like that, and then you've got your little pin, and then you should be able to just pull out, but mind all the wires. And once you've got the small terminal connector, all you've got to do, well, once you pulled it out of the low receiver, then you've got your gearbox, and a link to the description where we actually take apart the gearbox and have a look inside is just up here. And if you want to reassemble the M4, all you've got to do is simply reverse the steps that we did. So pop the gearbox back in, put all the pins back in, pistol grip on, buff tube, and then you're sorted. Thanks for watching. It's been Matthew Newton on Northern Airsofters. Subscribe, like and comment.